How many thoughts are holding you back? I don't have the right camera. My room isn't perfect. Someone else is already doing it better. These aren't just excuses. They're chains holding you back from your potential. Well, we are going to break those chains because the truth about face content on YouTube, it's not about perfection, it's about connection. Look at the most successful creators right now. Some film in their bedrooms while others film in their cars. Some use phones, but they all have one thing in common. They all started before they were ready, before everything was perfect. That's not a coincidence, it's the secret. If you're doing content where you're showing your face, there are only a few things you actually need to start. Your phone's camera, natural window light, and a quiet area. That's it. Everything else is an upgrade for later. The best camera, you already have one. The best lighting, the window you're sitting next to right now. And if you're planning on doing any editing, there are resources that exist for you to do that as well. Keep in mind that face content isn't just about showing up. It's about showing up strategically. You will need a clear topic focus, consistent posting schedule, engaging opening hooks, and a strong call to action. But most importantly, you need to start today, not when everything is perfect. Even if you don't have these things in order yet, just uploading a few videos will get you used to the process. The biggest mistake new creators make is trying to be perfect instead of present. This was an issue of mine for a very long time, and because of this, it took me a very long time to start this channel. Your audience doesn't want perfect, they want real. They want to learn from someone who is genuine, someone who's actually trying to help. All of your favorite creators are not perfect. Some of their brands were built on those very imperfections. They're authentic, they show up, and they're consistent. So no more hesitation. Let's get started right now. Find a quiet corner, position yourself near a window, open your camera app. That's your studio. No fancy lights needed, no expensive microphone required. Just you sharing what you know, helping who you can. Here's your action step for today, the Camera Confidence Challenge. Take 15 minutes and record yourself talking about your chosen topic for 2 minutes. Do not delete it. Watch it back. Note 3 things you like about your presentation and then record it again, building on those strengths. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Keep in mind that every major creator started exactly where you are. The only difference is that they started. They pressed record. Your first video won't be your best, but it will be a start, and that is what matters the most.